Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. No, I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm just sitting on the toilet seat here while I'm talking to you. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. I'm going to talk about I'm actually going to show a couple different things we've had some issues with the toilet running just kind of out of nowhere. It starts running, but also another weird thing is that we had recently is when the toilet was flushed, it wouldn't fill up all the way. Sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. It was all over the place. You know, when I say all the way, I mean to like where it's at right now. Anyways, I figured out what that was and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm also going to be replacing the flapper because I noticed that I've had this issue on another toilet, but on this one, I notice every once in a while that the toilet just kind of will run for a little bit on its own. So I think the flapper needs to be replaced. So I'm just going to replace that. And I'm going to show you what the other issue was with when the toilet was flushed, it not filling up all the way. Which also I found through the toilet running. So anyways, I have a towel here. I just have a towel that I'm going to put right here to set the top of the toilet on when I put it down, just so it doesn't get hurt or it doesn't scratch anything. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off, there's a shut-off valve for the toilet right down here. I'm just going to turn that off like so. Okay. And now I'm going to lift this up, set this right here, just like that. And then the first thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to lift this up so you guys can see, but I'm going to flush the toilet and the water just won't refill in here. So the toilet's flushing and you can see it didn't refill. And I'm just going to flush it again. I'm just kind of holding the handle open, just allowing the water to drain, you know, through there completely so I can work. So the old flapper's in there, and that's what I have the new one here. Now I can tell you on a previous toilet, the first thing I tried to do before, or on another toilet in our house, the first thing that I tried to do was to just clean the flapper and see if that would fix it. And in that scenario, it did not. So like, I'm not going to try to clean this one. I'm just going to replace it. So the way that this replaces, the first thing I'm going to do, there's like a clip here. And I'm just going to take the clip off. Try to. Man, okay, that does not want to, and it's kind of hard because the handle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flapper off. So I just kind of bent it around the sides of the black plastic down here to get it up. I think this will give me a little more. Oh no. Oh, just be patient. I don't want to break this part. Another thing too is I can take off. I should be able to take off the flapper here just to get it out of my way. I'm trying. There we go. So we can get the flapper. Like, I'm just gonna get this out of the way really quick. Gross. And then I gotta get this clip off. Just having a hard time. There we go. Okay, I got the clip off finally. The new one has a clip, so I didn't need the clip on this one. So now you just gotta make sure you get the right flapper for your toilet. Okay, so I ordered this one I got this on Amazon, and this is the right one for this toilet. Okay, we'll see here. I'm just going to fit the clip on. Went on a lot easier than the old one came off. And then, so the story with the chain here is you don't want it too loose or too tight. And it actually, it might be okay. You want if it's too loose, the problem is it can get like caught up on things, but if it's too tight, it won't allow the flapper to close. So now to put the flapper on, basically, you know, you see these things here, they just fit around. So there's like this black plastic here kind of goes up. So I can start it like this and then just fit it around like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with this one, just like that. Just show that again just so you can see on this side. So the black plastic goes up here. I fit the flapper on like this and then just fit it around, bend it around until it goes down. And then I'll show this side again too. Just, you know, I start at the top here and then fit it around, bend it around until it fits on like that. So now both sides are fit on. So just on the top of the plastic, black plastic like that, fit it around, bend it around until it fits on. But the way, I do want to show how to adjust it. So I might just, let's see here, try to put it back in the same spot. So those beads on the chain, you just push up like that, and then you can adjust wherever you want it to be. I already kind of forgot where this one went. I think it was something like right here. And then you just fit it back, you know, in between the two balls there, and then you just push until it, you know, fits back into place, until it's secured into place. So now here's the thing that the other thing I wanted to show you. So I woke up the other morning. Thankfully, it's always good to wake up, and I came in to the bathroom to go to the bathroom, and it was running. The toilet was just nonstop running, and I was like, "What's going on?" So I took the top of the toilet off, and this thing was not connected to this. It had come loose, and it was just like this, so the toilet wouldn't flush, and also this thing was just spraying out water, and the toilet was just running, and it wouldn't flush. And I think that's the cause of why I told you the toilet wasn't, wasn't flushing, or when it was filling back up, that it wasn't filling back up all the way. I think it had something to do with this. You know, sometimes it would fill up all the way, sometimes it was really low. It was always varied. And anyways, so when I fixed, so I think this was starting to come loose at that point. When the toilet wasn't filling up all the way, and then eventually it came all the way loose and was just, I told you, it was just running and it wouldn't flush. So anyways, I fixed it just by, you know, securing it back in where it goes like this, and it's been fine since, and the toilet has been filling up. I'm just making sure that's secured all the way in. I think that's good. Okay. It's kind of hard because once you get the beads out like that, you kind of lose the place of where they were. Let's try right here. There we go. See, that one has slack. I think that's where it was before, so it's probably the one right after. Let's go to that one there. Maybe one more. I was kind of checking the other toilets to see. Oops, see, like right there, I kind of lost the place. I think that's it right there. So the flapper on this one can still shut, but there's like very little. And you can see that this isn't like, if you look at this, it's not like super tight, like pulling up the flapper. I'll have to see when it fills up with water, but there's still like some slack there. But also like in the handle, there's not a ton of slack. So you'll have to find the right, you know, where the right placement is on your toilet. but this one appears to be right here. All right, I'm going to fill up the toilet with water. So I'm going to turn this back on slowly. And then just making sure it's on all the way. The toilet's full. There's not like any slack here in the handle like there was before, but the chain is not so tight that it's pulling the flapper up. So this is in line with how the other toilets are in my house, so I'm happy with it. You're going to have to figure out what's right for your toilet in your house. But yeah, the chain is not too tight where it's pulling the flapper up, like the flapper can still seal, but then also it's not too loose where there's play in the handle here. So I'm going to test it out. So I'm just going to lift up the lid. I'm going to flush it. And just going to make sure that the toilet bowl fills properly and that the tank fills properly. It's filling as we speak. Okay. There we go. Okay, so toilet is no longer running, the tank is full, and also the toilet bowl is where it usually is for this toilet. Okay, so I'm going to shut the bowl. I'm going to shut the lid is what I meant to say. Okay, I'm just going to put the top of the tank on here, just being gentle with it, setting it down gently, and just making sure it's in place there. Okay, and there we go. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.